always grateful po ako for my angels, my loves na hindi ako iniwan since day one. Lagi ko po silang ina-remind na love ko sila by random tweets like, I love you, and love you. I always remind them na just spread happiness and kindness towards everyone.
Tapos, follow-up ko lang doon sa mga tanong nila Tita Astor about Ravi. Sino mas maalaga sa inyo ni Ravi? Ikaw o siya?
Feeling ko po siya.
Paano kanya inaalagaan siya? Lalo na kapag may clinic kayo, lalo na doon sa lock-in mo sa Batangas.
First day po namin doon sa lock-in, wala pa po kaming taping. Parang nagsasettle pa lang po kami sa hotel, ganyan. And then, he has a car but I didn't bring one, so nakakapunta siya when he needs to run some errands or kailangan bumili sa 7-Eleven. And then, he asked me, may kailangan ka ba? Ganyan. Sabi ko, kahit ano lang, isang chips lang or snacks lang. Tapos pagdating niya, may isa na siyang buong bag full of chips. So, ang sweet lang po, and I found it really touching na hindi ko naman in-ask for that money, but he still gave it to me without me having to ask him. And then, during taping naman po, is that he's naturally a gentleman, so nasa outdoors po kami, may exterior, so there's terrain. And then, he would, assist me, para hindi ako madulas. And he would always hold my hand, sabihin sa akin, ito blocking mo, ganyan. He really helps me with my blockings kasi hindi pa rin ako sanay kung saan yung camera. Tinutulungan niya po. Tulungan po.
Last na lang, bilang endorser ng VB, ano yung message mo dun sa mga kababaihan or yung mga kabataan na nawawala na ng confidence sa sarili mo?
Hello, baby girls. I just want to tell you na I've been there. To be honest, growing up, I have been bullied for my looks, for not having eyebrows, for being too thin, and I just want you to know na people's opinions about you don't matter because at the end of the day, kung ano yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, yun yung nagmamatter. So just stay strong and believe in yourself.